Ciao everyone, my name is Dario Schiavoni and I work as a bar director in Bvlgari Resort Dubai. I'm going to make a special cocktail for you called Bvlgari Power. I make your cocktail. You will be able to do it in your house. It's called Bvlgari Power because it's going to give you a lot of energy. So, salute!